Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video we will understand how to set up webhook inside Payworld. So a webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Payworld is a widget and tool that offers online recurring payments and subscription billing services. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside Payworld and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here, I'm going to search for Payworld as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be customer created. So here my objective is that whenever a new customer will be created, then automatically the details of that customer should be captured over here inside Pably Connect. It could be either created by portal sign up, widget checkout sign up, or manually by the admin. So you can select any other trigger event as per your requirement, but currently I will go with the customer created event. So as I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Payworld account with Pably Connect. So to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my Payworld account. So this here is the dashboard, and now in order to build the connection as per the instructions, I will go to developer and here I will go to webhooks. So over here, you can see that there is no webhook as of now. It says webhooks will allow you to receive push notifications for your account. So over here, I'm going to click on create. And now in this webhook URL field, firstly, I'm going to copy the webhook URL from Pably Connect. And over here, I'm going to paste it. Once that is done, I'm going to leave the secret key optional blank. Now moving to the event. So I only want the event for customer created. So that is why I'm going to remove all of these events as my objective suggests that whenever a new customer will be created, then automatically the details should be sent to Pably Connect. So that's why I've selected the same event which I've selected in Pably Connect over here in my Payworld account as well. So now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, over here you can see a webhook has been successfully created. That means now whenever there will be a new customer created, then automatically the details will be sent to Pably Connect. So here in Pably Connect as well, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, that means now to get the response over here inside Pably Connect, I'm going to create a customer. So now I'm going to create a new customer. So here let's say that the first name is latest, the last name is user, and the country is India. Here it is. And now moving to the address. So here are the address details. So here in the login information, I'm going to mention it as latest user @pablytudes.com. So now for the password, this here will be the password. So as I've mentioned the details in the sign up page, now I'm going to click on create my account. So here you can see that I've successfully created an account and now I'm logged in. So I'm going to take you to my Payworld account. I will just go to the customer section, go to manage customers. So over here, you can see that a new customer has been created by the name of latest user and over here are the details. So that means this customer details would have been captured inside Pably Connect as well. So taking you to Pably Connect and yes, just now we have received the response. So over here, you can see the type as customer created. Here's the customer zip. You can see the UTM source. Here's the user ID and the updated at date and time. You can see the state, that is Madhya Pradesh. Here's the last name, the IP address and the customer ID. You can see the gateway type as well along with the ID. And here's the first name, email, created at country, city and the address details. So that means over here inside Pably Connect, I've successfully got the new customer details. That means the customer which I've just created. So the details of that customer is successfully captured over here inside Pably Connect. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Payworld account. Now whenever a new customer will be created by any of the method, then automatically the details of that customer will be captured over here in Pably Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the customer details, now just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the data. So as we have successfully set up a webhook inside Payworld and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.